Understanding Happy Father's Day, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very special phrase that you've probably heard a lot, especially around the month of June. Happy Father's Day. This video will help you understand its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, stick around to enrich your English vocabulary and cultural knowledge. The phrase, Happy Father's Day, is a warm greeting used to celebrate and honor fathers and father figures around the world. It's a way of expressing gratitude, love, and appreciation for their role and contributions in the family. When you say, Happy Father's Day, you're essentially wishing someone a joyful and memorable day dedicated to fathers. Father's Day has a unique history and is celebrated on different dates around the globe. In the United States, for instance, it is celebrated on the third Sunday of June. The idea originated in the early 20th century, inspired by the success of Mother's Day, as a way to honor and commemorate the contributions of fathers to their families and society. Knowing the background can add depth to your understanding and use of the phrase. You can use Happy Father's Day in various contexts, such as in greeting cards, social media posts, or in person. Here are a few examples. Direct greeting. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Thank you for everything. Social media post. Wishing a very happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there. In a speech or toast, let's raise our glasses to celebrate our fathers, mentors, and guardians. Happy Father's Day to you all. Celebrating Father's Day goes beyond just saying, Happy Father's Day. It's accompanied by various customs and traditions, such as giving gifts, spending quality time together, or performing acts of service to show appreciation. The specific practices may vary from culture to culture, but the core sentiment of honoring and thanking fathers is universal. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, Happy Father's Day, and its significance in English-speaking cultures. Remember, learning a language is not just about the words and grammar but also about understanding the culture and traditions. So, next time Father's Day comes around, you'll be ready to join in the celebrations and express your appreciation in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.